Newton's law of motion states, an object in motion stays in motion until acted on by an opposing force. In the back of our minds, we all just want to do the right thing, but we're only human after all. We all make bad decisions, we all make mistakes. But sometimes, we can't afford to make the wrong choices, especially ones that could easily have been prevented, especially ones where the risk is too great to gamble. Remember to always buckle up, especially when that one small choice could save your life. It could have saved mine.